Once I give thanks to life, burn down to the ground, take what you take and go do what it is. See, for the first time watch the channel here, you know, do the right thing. You know what I mean? Subscribe. Cause at the end of the day, one movement, there's lots of fight out there in the world. So if you see in the comments, some people say some bad things, not feel no way. We have a lot of enemies. But enemies can't stop we, you know, because we are doing it. Let's go.
Our biggest problem is us. Nobody fighting us but us. We are our worst enemy. This is what my vision said to me. We are our worst enemy. Sing it with me, you know the truth. So well, I've been fighting from a local youth, trying to grow and make the girl them bear the fruit. But there's this big fight, and it's big fight, day, clear night. So there's nothing I can do here anymore. There's nothing here I can do anymore. Is it too late for us as a people? Is it too late for us? Is it too late for us to understand that we going back to Gaza? Is it late for us to see we are our biggest problem? Ain't nobody fighting us but us. Ain't nobody defeating us but us. Yes, we are doing it to ourselves. Doing it to ourselves. Nobody can fight we like we. We're the best of it. But let us learn. It's time to learn. Not too late for us. Not too late for us. Let's go.
That night's funny, dear. I just so
Well, we pan people now with a girl there, man.
that's very good. I love your parents. Hi. Hello.
Wagwan.
My name is Zevin. What is yours?
So you tell me your name for me never ask.
Oh, I just introduce myself, but you look nice too.
Thanks, my name Veronica.
Oh, that's a nice name. So which one of them nigga run also control you?
What?
Which one of them man?
Nobody no control me, sir.
Oh, so
Yeah,
that
Tabo.
means I have a chance, man.
You have a chance for? You not sell balloon. Yeah, Tabo.
No, me talk, get a chance in your life.
No,
You
my
say
life.
nobody. You say nobody.
You don't know me?
Hmm?
My your sister best friend. You don't know me? You come and tell me your name like saying you know me. You don't know me?
Listen, remember say I don't really follow up my sister people them, so and now I go study your name like that. You understand?
Oh.
So let's say something can
Well, nothing cannot go on. Because you is my best friend brother. I'm not going to date my best friend brother.
that no nothing to do. That no nothing to say. We can try out a thing.
Try out what?
Alright, think about it then. Must can think about it.
Very much not interested. I'm not
serious?
interested. Nope.
Alright, man, go up, man.
Yeah.
Think about it, man.
You're not, you can't like you're not here. You see
think about it. Me know you want to think about it.
Walk by your foot and tap, walk by your ears. Can come like you're not here, me I say.
Oh God, I'm around this.
Oh, stop. You got me out of the man. We never pump people, you know.
Daughter,
Yes, mommy.
me want you see, me want you tidy up the place. No, you don't like it in the house, and I don't like it myself, but we're going to stay a little time before we move. And me I beg you, tidy up the place. And remember me and tell you something. You see, man, they don't want nobody. Most of them don't want nobody. They only want what you have. I say as soon as them put the bun in the oven, you know what is the bun in the oven? The baby. As soon as them put it in, and you alone response for it, because they can't left you. So may I tell you, go to school, take in your education. What you want to become in life?
Mommy want teacher, mommy.
Well, you have to just study hard enough. Okay? You have to study. And you make the body lead you strong, you know, man. You see the friend where you have. You know, a friend long time to realize, you know, she always a lead you astray. You have a mind of your own.
I have a mind of my own, mommy.
So why you always make she take you out of the place that you go all about? What wrong with you?
She take me to that place.
How will take you out?
I'm my own person. She come to me and she invite me somewhere. If I want to go, I go. If I don't want to go, I tell her no. So and she take me out of here. She not put a gun to my head. She not force me. She just tell me about somewhere, and if I want to go, I go.
You hear me say now? You see I talk to my lady there, daughter, you know. Yeah. And from her body response, you know, look like she a give on talk and she a do something, you know. Because we know about them things there, because you know your papa was a gallus. You know what I mean? You don't have to hold it run up and down, you know, man. Big you know. But once there's something to you though I was a gallus back in the time, we have a routine how we deal with the girl business, you know. You like a girl, the right and manageable way you go to the parents. You go to her mother, tell her mother say you find interest in the daughter, and you don't like say if I can date her, can go buy ice cream, care for a walk on the beach or whatever anywhere, and you go be a good behaving little boy. So if you not do that now, and you're rough Cassie, I did the rough way and no work out. Try the right way then. Alright? Yeah, man.
And if I want to go,
Oh,
I'm a friend.
so you're a big man. So if you want to go, you go. So you tell me definitely say, me tell you say, no come out of the yard. And friend come and tell you say, make you and them go. You still go because you want to go. And that you tell me?
I know that me say.
You know that you say, little girl, be careful. You know say, fear mama and fear papa have pitney. I mean, you want me have, you know? You are the only pitney me have. So me always so protective of you. Stay in the yard. If you're not the house, nobody can do it, you know. Nothing in you. The only thing the piece of house might drop down for you. I'm going to take you drop down, you know. So guess what?
Mommy, I say, what people come out picnic in the yard and people come in come kill them.
Nobody now come in and come do nothing. Stay in the house. You hear me I tell you?
Mommy, in your hat and you don't want to stay in here.
See fun there. That's why I say clear the place. Lie down and watch TV. Oh, you're a big girl, you know. Every pan and I every keckle you there. Stay in the yard.
Come young.
You're young. Okay, you're young. Now take my foolish advice and stay in the yard and stay by yourself and you're going to see what happens. You think people easy nowadays?
If your advice foolish, why am I going to listen to you?
Oh, so you look funny. My advice is foolish.
I thought
You see, Pitney when I hear them always feel.
Old people.
So me all. That's what I tell me all.
Mom, but you're up in the age.
Oh, so me now, young, nice, fresh and green girl. I go tell me, say me all. Should me tell you to stay in the yard. Boss your ass. Stand in the yard, me say. Stand in the yard. You know me now talk to you again. Guess what me go do? Me go set up a cops. I hope me go set up a bad people that can't hear cops. Me go send you. What you mean no bad? You not listen to me. You not feel bad for out there do things I have, man, you know. You not listen to me and me can't control you. So me have to send you. You rather stay yourself in the old place or you rather which one of them?
So you're your sister there? Are your sister friend, you know? You're your sister there?
Maybe they're supposed to go down the road.
My daughter the bad breed, so my time you say you know why you pitney run up and down with bad pitney, but me talk like a girl that look like you want me to lick him down, so that's why I can go on. You stay just like him mother.
Yeah, well, they call them the road or walk up on.
But do the right thing, man. You know what I mean?
So
Because
talk to your mother.
talk to the mother. I want to talk to the mother. If the mother give you a okay, you approach your daughter again. And when you approach a girl, no go with the dry reasoning. It's the thoughts that count. You know no money. You know work. You see them flowers up and so you pick 2 of the flowers them. You go give her. You just pick 2 flowers, you know. She makes you smile. When she starts smile, you find something to tell her make she laugh. Because woman like to laugh. And once you feel happy and comfortable around you, you go good. Anyway, I go up on the road. Because some people, you know, in this world, you know, them bad mind. And me not have nothing. I have people bad mind me. Out there, them full of bad mind. You understand? So, some people run up their mouth and I call up my name. So, I want to go confront them. You know what I mean? So, I soon forward back. You see it? If you see the lady who asks me what day, you understand? Tell her, say, I soon come work on her house. Yeah, man, because you know me a trade man and so my time, even she you know make people tell her things about me, you know. And she cut me out of the work. And then the people who them recommend to her spoil up her house. So now she call me now. I go double charge her. Anyway, I'm so forward. Alright. Go in the yard.
Far. Talk to me now. I'm where I do? I found your phone?
No, mommy, no, phone.
It's alright.
Mommy, come here.
What is it?
You're miserable, you know?
Yeah, are you make me miserable? Come talk to you, you know? Yeah.
No, sir.
What way I say now?
You can't give me $3,000
For the what?
For buy something.
Buy something like what?
No, man. No, because I beg him, mommy. If you know me, I do the money.
Of course, I'm going to get 3,000 and I don't know what I do with it.
Something more and buy. Something private.
Something private. Well, it's when me in the house, I don't recommend to you, no private. You hear me, I tell you? So when you're ready to tell me where you want my 3,000 for do, you can come to
father
me.
there.
And me ask you for me if you know where your father. Yes, me I walk a watch man. Me don't know where your father there. When last him call you?
You don't call me.
You not call you?
Hey, baby father.
Oh, and your father, you're a big girl now. So me not have to talk to him, I need to respond. So if you not call him and him not call him, I don't know where your father, I can't go tell you where your father, because your father is General. Can't tell us your father is General, so you have your father number?
Can't bother with him neither, I can't bother with you.
You're lucky, but you can't bother with him and you can't bother with me. You see, on the pitney, when people talk to you about the right things, you don't want to listen.
You're too miserable.
I want to go to the road and buck on the tone of ear saying, if I did listen to what mother tell me, too late. You should have listened to what me I say a long time. So because me miserable, you intend to do what me say. And that you tell me? Oh, so you're not going to do what me say. Make up your mind. Make up your mind, you know. Oh, yes! Come out and move my granny, yo. Come out and go on, yo. No, no behavior. Move for yourself. Feel like 3 I get big, get nobody size. Where? None of manners. Problem on the game. Look a problem, pitney. Where your papa? Let me know where papa there. Where ya?
No.
Morning.
Come back and
Start now? Yes.
you know, so I just see that I talk with an friend and I say, why? Your daughter look nice, man, I tell you no lie. So, me come down to do the right thing, come to the pier now to ask for your permission if you can talk to your daughter.
Look at boy, you have money, you come at our house, say, look here, by the way, my daughter not ready for no money, say, take care of her, please and thanks.
Why? I think you're there sorry for me and say, take care of her, but I not work yet, you know, but I'm getting there. Me if me have responsibility, me go look work. But you don't really have no responsibility, no. I don't have to work. But
You need to go and look work before you take up responsibility. My daughter not ready for no money, that's what I say, so you have to go look somewhere else, okay?
so yeah, I use a no then. Alright, respect.
Look at your one guy person.
Alright, respect this. Never mind, respect.
Look at boy, go on here. I don't know if you change so nowadays. Not supposed to in like my daughter, them go ask me permission. Jesus have mercy. Yes, I want to know.
Come here, I want to talk to you. You have a daughter though?
Yeah, what?
So why you there you so lie down by your phone? Are you daughter the parrot and them or something there? You want to see you could get Nile could sitting way up under your so?
My daughter.
No, my daughter. For me pitney.
You don't know, yes. I can't know, yes. Because my opinion have no closer shot.
Listen to me. A teenager, you know what you can get do? You're there lie down by your phone. You look at girl, should have done in her book. You're there lie down in her book.
She and her father, I don't understand what
God,
you
which
say.
father? That's what you girl tell you.
Which really say her father?
Yeah, pitney mother man, you have a daughter. This time man out there use and abuse him. And you lie down there upon phone. What kind of woman you be?
Look here now, don't bring him out to me. What do you mean by what kind of mama way? My picnic, our father's I'm sending her down there. I'm sending her down there. So what do you mean by she the pan road and she not shark us? I can't get you. I don't understand where she get shark clothes from.
No, it seems like you don't have no sense, you know. It seems like upper so gone, your head space gone. Come here, tell us that Miss Lee pitting down the road now and little piece of sitting with deep boy them. I tell me say why sometimes I don't know what God you somehow to pitting for do, you know. Somehow not for bread.
Miss, where you go? Can I look at you can't breathe ever promise.
No,
So watch
me
my picnic,
me
man.
not my picnic, you know.
Where you watch my picnic
I have
for?
my daughter. I have my
So
child.
go and go watch your
No,
daughter.
my child can't live out of the yard there. And that you fi know. Unless me and her go for a road, she cannot leave it unless she's going to school.
Go on where you go. I don't know why you cry feelings to my daughter. I true all the time. You beg her come here and she not come. Just go on where you go, miss. Please, me I beg her. Take your mouth off of my picnic. You hear me I tell you? Take your mouth off of my picnic. Crying. On a bad mind and a grudge my daughter for what me no know. Look here now. Let me go where you go.
Imagine.
Look here now. Go where you go. Go where you go. Please, me I beg you.
Yeah, behave so with me.
Go on where you go. Like you take on my picnic on a bad mind. Love my
So
picnic,
you
man.
see you? Yeah, your picnic go perish. Yeah, be a rain. Yeah, butter. Mommy.
Hey, girl, come over here. We have a on the road.
Mommy, we are going
We have to on the road.
I thought we come buy snacks.
What do you mean by something you come buy snacks? All the while I said I come out of the yard, they still make people dry out the road. Like, little girl, you know you're not here, and your friend are going to be here, don't fall. Come over here, son. Hold on there. And what is your van on the road? This is close? We not have on a brassiere and a little piece of blouse?
I mean, that's really brassiere.
What do you mean you don't wear a brassiere? I realize you see you. I don't know where you at. Oh, I'm cheap by just like this.
Mama say your own.
Continue same way. Continue same way. Shut your mouth. I not tell me about me all the girl. Shut up. I come back here so. Come in and want me if you're friend you me I tell you. Okay, please take it for your going. And next week Wednesday you're going. I'm going to shut your mouth and not tell nobody. Because you love chatting.
Me not tell nobody.
You want me say, zip up your mouth. I don't want nobody hear it. Because you see who you think is with you, them do with you. Go on your yard. And you see next time me catch up on the road like this, you don't have a birthday and a little teeny piece of blouse, watch me here. Go your yard. Cross it, go your yard. Let me reach over here before you ever see. What's up? How are you to buy me at the same place? Yes, I'm on the same place. Come on now. Yeah, my life. Yeah, then. Oh, yeah, boy. I remember that to our feet or something castle last. What did you say? Say, Mommy tell me, say, she can't have a boy and I eat that. Oh, yeah. I think that's what I'm saying. Come.
Mama, I understand with you. You got a party and you got to drink for a man and you must say the man is not somebody to trust. I know you end up in hospital. You see with you now, I'm telling with you, you see you love free things too much. I understand, you say anything that's free, you want to be, you see me want to be just free to yourself. Mama, you have to have money to can buy rum. Don't go a party and depend on a man. To buy your rum, you can't. You love freedom and you love the partying too much. The partying is not good for you. You understand?
You don't talk? You're my brother. But that not give a right to talk to me.
No, listen what me I say.
That do not give a right to talk to me, so.
Listen what me I say to you, girl. Listen what me I say. Me just say to you, say as a brother, me just say to you, say you love freedom too much. You understand? Like I say, what you can do like me, Mama. If me go a party right now, matter of fact, me not go a party without money. You see me, because I go a party, I be easy and listen. But what me I say to you is, you go a party, see, you don't know them man for now, they all that you at them. After your freedom, you're going to take freedom. Mama, Kingston City is not something to play with. Red Label is not something you shall play with. What me I say, them type of them, they are not something for you play, Mama. Freedom.
God, come here and turn up your son.
Something else. Matter of fact, something else. Anyway, me I tell her, what me I say to you is that you must not love free things. Things that, you know, supposed to love things that just come to you. See, things that will just come to you so they freak you up. Free things you mash up. This way, alright? Get the money, you buy it, it's better. But you know, that is not coming down here because the farm video, everything the farm video, you put your head tap. Me one time I see one man taste like but you know. Anyway, as a brother.
Oh, you mean say?
Mama, stop touching me.
Oh, you mean say Daddy not coming to come up here?
Daddy say he's not coming down here.
Why?
Because you are very out of order. You got a party, go drink some man, a man spike your drinks. I don't know them do want to see you. I don't know them to take up, but as you say, Daddy say he's
Shut up. Shut up. First thing. Don't you tell me say I got a party, right? Me ask if he come with you. Why never came with you? Because I want to go out.
Me not
go
carry nobody. Me not carry nobody back on me.
We can nobody.
I am not carrying you behind on me.
Why?
When you go out with your girls, you carry me behind.
You're a man.
Okay, me a man, so you know if you come with man forward. When me could have been in the place, I look woman, me I worry about my sister. Me there when I saw me, I look one girl. Me have there when I saw. Oh sister, you're good. I'm not in that, but I'm in that. You understand? So when me I said to you, they told licky, you know, everything is too many. And Daddy say he's not coming over here because you're very out of it, you're very you're very you're not shy because I can't handle it. But as me I say, Mama, next time don't take free liquor from people. Say no. No to drugs, no to weed, no to liquor.
Listen to me. So, like I now come look to me. Because I'm eat.
Who you talk to? I mean sending a party? Was I the one sending a party? If Daddy did give me money to pick up, me I'll spend that I would. You don't deserve my money.
So I'm not there in here, so lock up and I eat nothing.
Listen,
I eat them food because I get it.
You are going near me.
You want it.
You are dead hungry.
Now they're out there and
dead.
they don't make me eat. Food. Can I better this?
Oh, how can I better this? So, Mama, I can't talk from there. I should say I buy my juice. So me talk about the food. Anyway, I'll tell you. Listen, I have money for my own. See? When I get paid, remember, so when I was not working, you was working and you never give me no money. You are very mean and you are very selfish. Listen, as a brother, me not gonna be the kind that I be the mean sister. No, I'm not playing that game. Me not say, boy, I do better than if you're mean to me, mama, I mean to you back. You have to know that. Not because we come out of the same womb and at the same back we come out.
Sir, listen to me. You have a sister in your side that's hungry. Last time I got ask you. You have a sister in your side lock up a date for hungry.
I give a fuck. No, I don't care. You don't listen. You do not listen. If that did not come for you.
But you are my brother, you are my blood.
Okay, daddy.
You supposed to have my back more than
daddy back your
me and your brother and sister. Me and you grow.
Oh, I want another sister.
Oh, you want another sister?
I go tell mommy, say, mommy, I need another sister because this sister you're not good for you. Your reputation is bad. Your sticky book is bad. Your lifestyle is dangerous. You are playing too rough. You are playing too rough. You are living a dangerous, serious lifestyle. I don't know, but when you start that party, when I come out there, so I hope you keep it for the next 2 months. But when I come out there, so I want to stay after the party. You don't want to listen to me there. I can't say nothing about it.
Wait,
understand?
You say you want to keep it in your so 2 months.
Mama,
2 months.
Mama, hospital.
2 months.
Listen up, a hospital. When you're sick, you go to hospital. When you get shot, you get cut, you get chopped, you go to hospital. But right now, it look like your brain now work good, so you have to stay at hospital. So maybe by the time you come out, you can't fix it because of that. You're not the right person. But anyways, what I should say is, me, I can go to my yard, grab one food, and go for dinner, and check on them.
That's all a good for. That's all a good for. Me not a sister now. You're my brother. Me not a sister now. That's all a good for.
I'm going to listen to me. So you understand me, but take taxi. You go walk with the call me, who will come to you? I am going to send your papa don't want to come. Listen to me, girl, listen to me. Just this one, you say you don't have any brother.
Because you have got other sister in your side that you're hungry. You have to tell me, say, you
have
not
one
here.
question to you. Who put in it?
Rum.
Okay.
Rum can't make me eat.
Tell Rum, say you want money. Tell Rum you need money to come out. Tell Rum you need food, you need snack. Matter of fact, I tell you big grey back man them. I must say man them because I don't know anything. Tell them say you need money to come out. You understand?
Everybody me talk to my man. You're my brother. You not fear watch me.
I say me man I love you because I don't know them family. I'm thinking you for now. Watch your mouth, you know. Watch your mouth. Anyways,
you not fear watch me about me. I don't tell you that I'm my brother. You only me out there. I'll have me back. You not have.
Listen. I'm not watching and I will never watch you. I am not a pervertly brother. I am just stating the facts. Say you have to do the right thing. I am trying to let you do the right thing. I'm not allow you to go to the right thing and then you pick up to you. Mama, if you are my sister, you've been able to do the right thing. See, I'm a see I didn't go here. This of course never run in everything, but if you did run, I saw you run up on them over there. So yeah, got that the party there, got this party there, give it. Yeah, I was chatting. I'm getting something done, but ready, right?
Come in and we have let's catch up to me.
Anyways, me I say to you, say when you run up over this and you go over this and you go over this and you go, whatever you want, I don't business, you see me? So if you was a good girl and you got this other, of course me I go defend a car. You know how you think of it, but if you is not a nice man, you don't have to give me much when you ever give me $500 walla. Mama, how much? We in a age now, Zine, and me I give you an estimate. For example, right? We know each other for about 18 years. And out of 5, a 5 is like me give me 100 every year. 100 every year. And you want me to take out my money, how much money I want for food?
Just kind of minute.
No, how much? Alright, how much money worth of food must I buy?
$5,000.
Go look man and go look what girl. You can't go man.
I'm gonna look where I'm there at all.
You better go back in it. You stink. You can't go my yard. If you spend $5,000 for you want $5,000.
What do you mean no worth $5,000? What do you mean no worth $5,000?
You can't go my yard. Go call your papa. You're bright.
I'm not saying $5,000.
$5,000 worth of food go here. And in a 5 week, in a 5 year, you give me 5 days. You know you have 18 years and a 5 years, you give me 5 days. I'm going to come get. Tell me, see one back, you're not going to give me no 5 days. I'm going to come here. You're bright. Go on, that's what I'm going to just girl right here.
Classy. can't see me.
Hey, when I get up here, come after one here. Hey, this is what you tell me. Come see the video them. You just go on with yourself. So, someone, you could see a party.
You come out of Jamie, don't you?
Nothing not Jamie, not that man.
You come out of Jamie, don't like my dirty foot better just set us down.
The brother you there?
You just called me a while ago, I asked him if
So you asked me to sit in and your brother just come.
My brother say him now give me nothing to eat. I'm the telling you something for 5 more years.
What do I mean by that?
I said daddy say I'm not coming up here.
If God not come up here?
You see him? See daddy?
No, I'm not seeing him.
Yes, my brother.
No, I'm not seeing them. I'll be able to take around this so.
My brother say daddy now come up here, come up here. Him come up here, him come here with the long hand. He live down home, give me a little money, a little water, a little juice, a little food, a little food.
I would have said you.
Nothing. Rum, knock me over.
But then the spice liquor?
Look so.
You have to be careful. You got a party with him now?
No, me know. I got a party with him.
Mash up door, my God.
I got man. I'm so good. The hospital people them say that I nurse. The nurse say, by now a weekend me come out. So you know so me soon come back I road girl. Yeah. Right now I see so weak because I'm out for 3 days now. And from the day here at first I get one visit and today. I'm there now almost a month now.
It look like your father see video.
People that say see it.
That's why I know.
People which come and tell me that daddy see the video. I said daddy say I'm not coming up here. When I see him, father.
You see your father one night time them, but I'm not seeing him today. But anyway, I have a look morning, I make one I deliver boy then deliver one burger for you. You hear me, friend?
Alright, thanks. I'm hungry girl. Later.
Don't answer, little girl.
Parental! May I come?
You see, you little girl, friend, one day your phone call. Come here. So. When I just tell her to answer about it, you see, you little girl.
I'm a friend out there.
Yes, you see. I don't know what kind of friend I'm be, you know. Because what day should bring you down there, so if you never could have run them with a wall and rape you and kill your backside.
But mommy, I threw away the run down.
Which two? You know how she set it up.
I threw away the run.
Look here now. So. Look at you.
May I come?
You see, you know, here when people talk to you, you know, here.
I'm best friend.
Best friend which part? When you are studying, you know what she study man. When you get 15, so much you get half a one. Oh, what kind of friend no be? What kind of friend she is to you? So look how she bore up. And full of tattoo. When she first study, she dey all about with man. You see you, it's alright. It's alright.
Come girl.
I fell out with me for what me do.
You got the song. Oh, go on.
Good morning, Miss Lady.
Good morning. Make you come up here so early. Come on, beat down them door and them something there.
Come make some breakfast.
You don't have nothing here for do.
Eh?
You don't have nothing over here yet for your mother to cook.
I live with my mother, I live with my brother and my father.
So your brother, your father, no look about something to eat.
They don't care about me.
Oh. So here, so you come disturb me and my daughter early
My
morning
friend.
talk. Wait, where you at with me, Momo?
If she wants to come here and make here, I can't mother you be.
Come out of my house.
How much you just come?
Come out of my house, none of manners. You can't tell me what kind of mother. You have mama, you have mother, so you know what kind of mother be.
I don't know why.
Little girl have manners.
I'm not facing with your miss.
Look here now, I'm gonna run this again and tidy up.
Yeah, go
You
on.
see the yard, I tell you if it's sweep, make me come back and it not sweep and watch me and you.
You see food, let me tell you if you act up all long.
Go sweep the yard, go sweep the yard.
Let me call for.
Come on, where bed there? Come on to me.
Miss, go sit down.
Come on to me house. Come on to me. Hey, when I we kill on in here now. Outside and bright. Watch me and you. Tell the little girl say, no answer, you get ball out. And I don't know, me get the thing here from you. The thing here different.
Hello. Your father.
That's what I had.
You can call him for me.
We want to do.
Me tell you to call your father and need to know what I want him for.
I'm not going to do.
Call him. Me out here so.
Lord have mercy.
Rasta.
That's a Rasta, yo. You must respect your papa, you know.
I'll go under it.
Call her. Yeah, I am not Rasta, but call her right name, man. You good, sir?
I'm good, man.
What do you know?
Yes, I'm going to call.
Oh, for your sister there.
No.
You love walk up and down too much, you see. I go foot.
No,
We pass it out, already?
yeah, she's out.
I'll put on this, sir. What's going?
What going? Are you where are you today?
Well, you know, say I just asked about her a while ago, you know.
You know, say if I want her to do something, I have to ask her first. So I can ask her first. I want she to do me here for me.
Oh, I don't know if she there, you know.
So, you better know where that today.
I'm going on the road, so I sent her. Come out of the road, yeah, come. But you know, say, if you want your ear to do, we can do it for you, you know. Yes, because when the mama run gone, and me do a year, you understand? She go charge her money, me do your year for free.
Everybody want something. You know what she going to charge you, that's why I come.
Yeah, so.
I'd rather she make a little money than me go and use yourself.
Yeah, but me and say, what kind of style you want to do?
One swing.
No worry yourself, man. My sewing machine broke down though. So,
What
but
you
me,
going to do with sewing machine in my head?
what you say one year sewing?
And a sewing machine I use.
Oh, no worry yourself, man. No worry yourself, man. No worry yourself. But, alright. You have niggle on the thread already?
We have that.
Alright. Yeah, because me know for so. Long time. Yeah, man. So, when you do it?
I want if you do tomorrow.
Alright. Tomorrow, I can deal with it. Oh, so, when you go there home tomorrow when you are here, though?
No, must me alone. My boyfriend now go there, you know. I go work by 8 o'clock and he now come in till 9 night.
So, and you look at data, what you look at data?
She go there at school, so she now go.
Yeah, man. No worry yourself, man. Tomorrow bright and early. If you see me data, not to tell him about it. Me have a job. More do it. Here, no worry yourself. Free of charge. Alright?
I make sure I can do it.
I can't do my thing.
Alright, do your thing.
What happened now? Someone happy, what happened? What you like?
No, remember the other day with the inner town? I would see mommy and she pulled me away. Yeah, whenever you want to tell her yet, then time then. You laugh and you say, I will never tell you. I say, I'm man, mommy fine. I never that girl.
You lie to me?
I don't really lie, I'm just never want to tell you.
Well, tell me now.
So I'm not to tell you about. You know your best friend?
Yeah.
So me I tell you. So murder.
Murder! Come here.
Your friend I got foreign. You know how to see me, girl?
Yeah,
Say, can't wait, girl. One of the days I said, I have a surprise for me and I will go up and down. And then someone said, come to. Whenever they want to tell you, but yeah, girl, and the first class, we are going to
yeah, they later.
yeah,
I'm a fear. What we are do? Me there lay down, you know, cause she's on too hot. The one go on the road, but can't bother.
But don't worry yourself, cause you know some out here have me back and thing. So when you reach up there, go make it alright.
Alright, girl.
Blessed. You come right one time, right?
Come now.
Everybody gone.
Yeah, you've been away from Georgia a long time.
I have some good work I deal with. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. So,
So if you go for here and something.
yeah, go for the year, let me see it. Wait there, what kind of year? A good year?
Let love be free. Let love be free. Let love be free. Let love be free.
You know, the original though.
That was good though.
The original. What you say you can't do me here? That's what you want though.
Yeah, that there. But, no, I hear one now. I just took me already. So, I want to do that here. I pay me as pay money. You understand? So, if you don't have the year, it's like 10 grand. You can back, you have the year already, just then the year. And on them days, they can't keep the change after that. Anytime I hear here though, they link me. That's what I know.
You know you're up to.
People are watching this too much too.
Veronica,
Yes, mommy?
me come go work now.
Alright.
And remember, do not leave the yard and go on the river.
Me not gonna river, mommy.
And that you tell me the last time when me there work, I run out of the people in place I hear say nearly drown. You hear me? I warn you, Veronica, do not leave the house. Stay in the house, not go nowhere. You hear me? I warn you.
Yes, mommy.
Alright. Look more.
Alright.
Morning.
Morning, Wagwan.
Veronica over there?
Yeah, she over there. Me I make sure they are warning. I don't want to come out of the yard. Don't cry, I got no river. Me only pitney me have you know. Remember say for your papa more have 2 more pitney you know. And me no want nothing to do for me pitney cause one. So me I beg you, I know you're not a good friend, because I mash up on like a friendship. But me I beg you, not take her out of the yard. Stay in the yard and cook and eat and reason. You hear me I tell you?
Alright, I go work.
Yeah, me I gotta work later.
Alright, man. I'm not take her out of the yard, man.
Alright.
Veronica! Wagwan! Come, girl! Go to the river! Plant the tea! Come! I'm at my house. Girl! Come, get ready, get ready, get ready. We're going to the beach. Come, girl. Beach, river. Come. Pack up.
My mother, she know when she go about. Veronica, me I go work. Don't let the other go on the
I see
river.
somebody else. I come look for you. She always stop me, but
She see you.
yes, girl. I
want
come
to
to
mommy,
carry her
girl.
out of the yard. We're going to the river because she want pitney. Come, girl, go river. She
don't
all
like
right. She all.
Oh. Ready, girl.
Come, girl. I saw that time I forget to check with the umbrella.
You know, that's how they do for the people. We just wind down there.
Go.
Right now my bad book. As we reach rain start fall. We have to change good.
But I come to enjoy myself. So
Yeah, so we have champagne to enjoy ourselves.
Yeah, something about champagne.
Yeah.
What is that?
Yeah, I could have been to the man.
Yeah, I think I feel the old. No man. Cheers, girl. Cheers, nice.
Yeah, man, when we go down,
Right.
I enjoy myself first and then go
She
to
too
the
old.
It's boring, man.
Strong. You come up. Come up on a girl. Come no matter what.
I'm here to say them come up. Take time, man. You want to join me?
No, join no man. You know me not do that.
hang out together like this, bro.
And your mother would have gone over. But she
Two something happen more there, yeah.
You're not imagine.
Well, as me that tell about the foreign, something nice. The foreign something, girl, I'm just excited. I never go on plane before, you know? And at first class, me and go on the first class. For the first time I go on plane, at first class. Oh God, I'm so excited. Jesus. Yeah, that's how wake me up saying I come in there water.
That's a girl.
Hola.
I'm tired. What is this? Hello?
Hello, good day. I'm ready to come at it.
Yes.
Jesus, can I get up? Get up, my baby. What you do yourself? Look at me like another obstacle, girl. Rain a fall. I'm telling you, come out here, come out here. My baby, wake up. My baby, get up. Jesus Christ. Wake up, my baby. Wake up. Why you don't want me to put it up in the chest up? Oh, she reach a river by the way for you. People there so drown. And you, where you come from? Where you come from? Up there so way. So all she alone long as a swim for drown. You see one big you see a little girl, I'm trying to stay in the house with a fire now. Lord Jesus Christ. Wake up! Run! Hey! You see you bring my pitney down here, come kill her, you know? Yeah, you bring my pitney down here, I'm let my pitney in my house. And she tell her that. And me tell her, come out of the house. Jesus Christ! More pitney! Jesus, my pitney, and next week Wednesday, me tell her, so you go, and I tell her, turn of the yard. And you really come out, so you see you, and I feel say you have something to do with this, because make sure I tell her so she go away.
No, she never tell me.
I told lie, and your best friend, she have to tell her, and I tell her not tell her about to see her mouth.
She never tell me no.
Jesus Christ, my pitney. Wake up, get up, don't touch me.
Hello.
Dad.
I'm in.
Good
Morning.
morning.
One, I swear to God, my condolences to you and the rest of the family. Well, it's a bad thing that happened, but between me and me, see me come here, you can't have me tell us, me a play to you, me a chance to that, You see, if you give me a chance to that, maybe show you that, but when see me come to you and say, give me a chance to that, I say me, no. You can go on the river, they go drown.
So that you come for now?
No, I come to tell us my condolences. But me now, I plead to you and I tell you, say, if you did give me hard them time, then maybe one of them did when I river, maybe should have done my place or kick back with me. And should have did it up to now, but Yeah, listen, I say keep
Thanks to your condolence, you can go on now. Cause look, I'm not right for my right about no. So me I beg you. You just go on. Because you know you come and tell me this you matter about it done man, it done and it gone and it done. What is the order to be you couldn't change. So even if you're not there, probably should have still left and go down there.
No more that convince I'm gonna say babes, no, don't go nowhere. No follow nobody gone. Plus, me a big swimmer. So you see if him a jump up, me a jump over the back of her. You understand someone could see her come me a big swimmer, you see me? If you should take you out and get a CP, I'm out. You know then go here. But I'm sorry for what happened still. Really and truly sorry. Alright?
Alright, thank you for your condolence, I can't go on. I just want to be alone. Go on.
Alright, take it easy, yeah, mom. Alright.
Can't believe some read have a bear my picnic to the juice in the ear. Jesus, what are going to know? One picnic gone. Jesus, help me. Jesus, I'm going to call my sister. Really crazy. I'm gonna come out foreign. I can't come out foreign without my pitney dead. Me just bury my pitney. I'm sorry about all of that of what can because I cannot travel without my pitney. No, I cannot. I can't. Oh, me gonna do it. I can't bear. If you know, say I'm me and her for go away. And then today now, when me and her should have getting ready next week for go away, me have to bury her today because she out of here and she's stubborn. I can't, my sister, I cannot make it. Just you have to understand. I cannot travel without my child. My child gone. What am I gonna do? I can't come. What am I gonna feel in my heart for no say me and her should have taken that flight there. And now me alone I forgot. Sorry, but I can't come. Can't come. You ever give me some time? Girl, you don't understand because you're not no pitney. You're not under. Look here now, I can't talk to you now. Why, my baby? Jesus, help me. Look how my pitney gone. My baby gone.
My your friend, Joan, we realize say you just stay in a bed, so you not do nothing at all. Remember say I send you to school, you know. Only thing you come with a nose ring and tattoo what them snake can show me say that you want to perch you at your side, you know. Don't worry. Nothing at all. No, your friend dead. Or they the one that wake up at Joan same time with her. Kind of serve no purpose.
What do you mean by it?
Because she was your best friend. Oh, you know, every you get from her. You know, she bright, she well bright, and you never bright. She keep herself normal, you take her in a mix up. So I don't know how come the best friend, but see you know. You take them put me out of the yard and make them go everywhere go John. She can't swim and you can't swim, one out down the river. Tell her already, you know, now listen. See them now? But you have to left out here. So, You're there on your own.
See the daddy.
You what?
See her there.
Who?
Veronica, see her the daddy. Step beside of you.
What beside of me? Where?
She gone.
Where the guy is that?
When she did the right, that's beside of you.
Where?
She gone.
She gone. You see, your crosses. You don't look after your mother. You don't tell me so. Where are you trying to tell me? Don't be there. Don't exist. Wait. You don't want to tell me so. Don't be exist.
That is just the Veronica. Let me see her there.
Yeah, idiot, you know. Yeah, idiot. Go for a Veronica there. You know, see no Veronica there. Yo, go find something. Go on, go find something on the road. Go find something. Go.
She there, that's all.
Feed them, yeah, man. He doesn't take a box.
Happy now?
Where you come from?
I'm sorry to hear what going on, my condolences. But, Jessica, you see how much time little girl want me to carry her, go teach her to swim, Jessica. And you don't make me carry the little girl go. And see the now little girl gonna drown her for herself.
Me not
You know,
understand
say
you.
I want wicked woman.
Me not understand you. What you mean my daughter? You they go teach my daughter to swim?
You think a little bit of time she come to me to teach her to swim?
And why you never teach her?
Because of you. She keep on and say, Mommy say me not for go, Mommy say me not for this.
Oh.
But when time she out parole with man, you not tell her for not this, not for not that.
Oh, I've never known so that little girl going to swimming with you. But yet still she you know bring her go swimming with you. You can see her on the road every time when man and come back and come to me complain. Why you never come to me come say, why you not make the picnic come a swimming class with me? Why you never come over here come say that?
Because that not really important. Oh. That not important no. I man when we have our parole it is important at this time, you know. And see their daughter dead now, you know.
Hey, my picnic dead. Only just come out far back now, no? Only finally get one you didn't want.
No, I don't want.
Just love.
What you didn't want.
Where
You
you
didn't like the one where you carefree. Carefree when the little girl the parole and reach a river. Till she drown. Me don't know if nobody harm her or nothing, you know. I mean, I know how she drowned, I mean, I wasn't there.
She's 15-year-old. I have Tani live here and said, don't leave the yard. We can't stop her.
Of course you can't stop her. She is 15.
What make her stop her? Come here, couldn't have no sense or
You don't
something.
have no
So what if you do? Sit down every day, watch your little girl? What if you do lie down, sit down in here every day, oh, shut on.
Put on your foot down. Put on her foot. If you're there, so she's supposed to be dead, say in her book. But no, you're there, so she's there, man. Man.
And you bring her go get her man. Nobody can do something about you bring her go get her man. Because it's friend like Uno, where she keep family like Uno, not even friend, family like, dirty family like Uno. Where all them do I wash them up on a cousin.
So I'm from here tell her right, I'm here class as dirty family.
They are not dirty family.
Oh, we are dirty family.
Not dirty family. Because if you and her are a cousin and you claim say you're here with man, why you never beat her and send her here?
Who beat her from me picnic?
Oh.
Me come over here, come do the right thing. Me come tell you, and you run me and cuss me and run me from your yard. You forgot? What? My mommy sound not go perish, see that?
Una dirty family, that is why, because me call your brother and me call your uncle and ask him what my daughter did, and him say she just left the yard and just send her up. So he says the wall on it's like when
that you know for
when did he get my piggy long time and
send her down my yard. How will that come down my yard? She can't leave the yard. Why she cannot leave the yard? Because me make she know say I'm me and all woman in the yard. But yes, so as two woman come like you know what you see.
Oh me if you know say I not wanna kill my picnic. And I want to kill a video because you see, una know, una family, I want to just eat little girl. Look here now, me grieve in peace, just go on. You rush me up for my picnic and you get where you want now. You get where you don't feel good, go on now. Where you come as a glowed for. Make me mourn in peace, miss me, I beg you, go on. Because I'm a dirty family.
Nonsense.
So job when me go take up on myself and breathe for them a dirty for this a dirty family here. Every day them have them up on the little girl. Every single sit down, she dead and gone. She come here glow, she come here glad, she come here happy. But I leave on the time, for the time I come.
Hello. Hello. Mama. I'll fix your kitchen and bed.
Veronica.
What?
Veronica. The Veronica.
The Veronica then. Let's see how she.
Veronica choked me.
Mama, Veronica there.
Veronica, Mr. Veronica. Mrs. Veronica, with her daddy there. Mr. Veronica, you don't believe me? Veronica is here. You don't know Veronica.
So why Veronica that the food on and half number this? Veronica!
Brother, Mr. Veronica for real.
Where is Veronica?
Veronica the pan top on me.
I do what?
I choke me.
Oh, she never had to buy a choke you. Oh.
I know she gone.
Mama, listen to me. There's no Veronica. Veronica is dead and Veronica can't help Veronica to choke you.
So you still believe me?
No? It's either you already
Why she have food on me?
Why you ask me that? I don't know.
You see her?
Oh, me see what me can see. What is that girl there? Oh, me see Veronica and I can't see her. Where you go? Tell me your house. Little girl, hey, stay in your room. So where you go? Where you go? Where you go?
No, can't
No.
go somewhere.
Can't go away. Where
So I
you
think
go?
I'm really going
Listen up, stay inside your room. What? Listen. Are you a friend? If she asks you to show, are you a friend? If you want to play, no, I'm going back in there.
You know what I'm now.
Oh, you know what I'm now. Listen to me. This one I said, you know. Go on in your bed. Go sleep.
No,
So you do, you're guilty or something?
no, but she had trouble me. Me sleep and she had trouble me. I'm sleep.
Oh, Veronica, if you're in here trouble, go on now.
No, can't come on, bro.
Wait, Daddy don't want to wear yard now? Me don't want you with me deny that. So,
I want to stay in the house, Veronica. I don't know when God. Veronica did the right part for me, that's so.
girl, come, go on now, backside.
Come.
No, that.
Where you in there, though?
Somebody have pushed me down.
Who's gonna push you down?
Somebody, she had trouble me.
Girl, nobody not there. You just go.
Really got you there coming no. You push me.
So we are push me for. We are push me for in the road. Girl, you are push me.
Why you not believe me? You not wait until she kill me before you believe me? You just say girl, it's like the part of me and chew up me.
You should kill her. As a man, I'm putting my head and dead. That's tell her to kill.
Why we not gonna kill people?
How are you, girl? Okay, yeah. Good on. What's up? Come. Come by yard.
Veronica, mother. Good morning.
Could you wear it in my house?
Where come
Where come about?
We
Good
come here
morning.
to ask
Good
you
morning.
What problem? I say eat it. You hungry?
Because me suspect you. Remember my picnic guy.
Suspect me and what? Suspect me
What
and
you want? What do you want? How can I help you?
If you're pitney, auntie or a dream you.
About picnic aunt me. Is my picnic aunt me? Or my picnic for aunt me? Me a good mother to my picnic.
But me dey sleep.
Okay, can't get me. One to you. Where you with your face? Why are you holding your face? What's wrong? What's wrong with you? You get mad? Something is wrong with you? Miss, go on home, please.
Please help me.
Help you what? With what?
I don't know.
Confess.
Help you with what? What are you talking about?
What you do to me?
What's wrong with your child?
Confess to my mother what you do to me.
Yes, everything good.
Okay, go on home, please. What's wrong with your child? What's wrong? Go on home, please.
Yes, everything good.
We have to tell me.
Just listen to me. Listen to me, please.
Look here, listen. Sit down and tell me. We have to tell me.
Free if you sit down.
Why you afraid to sit down?
I'm hot.
You're hot. What wrong? You keep on hold your face.
Me tell her what happened.
What happened?
Me dey jealous of yes because she have everything that she wants. She have enter we go up on the road man and look her man not see me. So I'm kind of jealous. I am sorry. Me can't bring the Kaga River. The day me this year I come out of the yard. Yes, I'm never take her out of the yard. Kaga River. And she been and tell me say she got foreign. I'm in Jonas. I'm sorry. Me can't bring the car.
What?
Me can't bring the Kaga River.
We said, me not hear you. Talk again. We said, talk up. Take hand for your face. What's wrong? We said, happen. Oh, so all along when me say you draw me picnic, you draw me picnic for you.
Sorry.
You kill my picnic, me have to kill you, girl. At least me not share me all that person of a picnic get her justice. Me have to dead for my daughter, me have to get peace because up to today me can't get a peace because my picnic got my one and only picnic you kill. My one picnic. Me no business what want happen to me after this, but you have to dead because me no business.
Hello.
Like that for
What
me.
are you there, do?
You see me she kill my picnic? You see your sister kill my picnic? Confess to me so she...
Yeah, I choke out in life all time.
Of course, come me get justice to my picnic now. So, me don't care what happen after this. Your sister is a wicked. She my daughter best friend. And she kill her because of jealousy. You know much plans my daughter have in store for this little girl here? Me don't ever care what happen. Me get my justice and my revenge for my daughter.
Hello?
Wicked.
Yeah, Nigger police station. Yeah, we have one crime down Parental road. Yeah, one old witch. She killed my sister.
Which I kill? And your sister kill my pitney.
Bye, mommy. Sorry I didn't listen to you when you talk, but I can rest now. Bye-bye.
Because you're killing the girl.
So she will kill my daughter and get away.
More than so, alright, that's what I said, but I look at the police.
I'm waiting with you, darling. I'm waiting. Guess what? I'm free now.
Hey, I wish you didn't get no food in
They say me free
So
now,
what?
cause guess what? Me only pick me your daughter, take out and my daughter love your sister, and she take out my daughter because of jealousy. I don't care. I don't care what even what happened to me. At least my pitney can lie down in her place and rest.
Amen. Okay. Wait.
Ready again. Keep it steady again. Yeah, man. So, yeah, we're there upon the work. I go and put in the work as usual. You know what I mean? Lots of sacrifice. You know what I mean? And lots of well-wishers and lots of people out there expecting a lot of things. So, I want to know, say, I have a plan. And I have a vision where I go to. You know what I mean? But we can't talk about everything. Everything I talk about is a problem. You know what I mean? So I can't tell everybody everything we are going. But remember, we know where we are though. And we want to start this joke thing. It's not a hustling. You know, it's a movement. You know what I mean? Because we have to put worth on ourselves and value. You know what I mean? So from time to time, we know so we don't get the standard and move on we want. But it's okay. I have a plan, but I have to survive it before I can do anything. So that I'm never in a survival mode. You know what I mean? And like I'm saying for a long time, take what you take and go do what you do. On a joke thing. And it take what you take and to do it to do. You not see it now, but you go see it. You know what I mean? Burn it down to the ground, man. Lot of fight out there, man. But we not come about the fight. Because the fight feels just right. You know what I mean? Then we can't stop in a day. Much less night. You know what I mean? Long time saying. No better area, no better bar. What was the bar is rotten, and area in it is going to be rotten. So no better what? Bar, no better area, no better. Oh, no better bar. Oh, no better area. No better barrier. Yeah, you know that area. Red area. Yeah, any one of them. Yeah. I don't know what you were saying. We know red area is by the young. It's like fish, right? Where it's and dry out. So if you barrel mash up, you're not good there. No. Yeah, man. No better airing, no better barrel. No better barrel, no better airing. Same for the thing said. Yeah, really like. Like for the greatest man. So, we're there, we're going to put in the work as usual. We have to learn to appreciate each other. And we have to find a way common ground. That's why we don't understand themselves. So you have to keep a distance sometimes. So it's just life. It's life. It's true. Yeah, man. So, you know, as we go along, it's just a journey. It's a long road. I just say, never give up anything that we can handle. No matter what it is, it's something that we can handle. So we don't give up then? No, you can't give up. Can't give it up. You have to just shut down. So the thing said. Yeah, man, so. Yeah. And just life itself. So we have what if things to do? It's a pity, so we never, you see, if we plan to do the movie, like, just come up, we'll do it. I will take one day and come up from the work. Yeah? Yeah, man. Like if I got nice place here, you say? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And the quietness. Yeah. Yeah. Tranquility. Yeah, man. So you get to hear it is, you know? Yeah. And you wouldn't hear the bike. Yeah. And the car them, because they have full place. Yeah. And the truck them, yeah. The first one. So the animal and yeah, man. The dog next door, so. Yeah, man. You can't tell what they're passing on cold bananas. One thing we hear, the pin one, yeah. The Jamaican sound that. You have to hear they know in my country vibe. Yeah. Like, when we are in the States and anybody call from down here, even if they said they were going to Florida.
I've heard the door.
Yeah.
They're in Florida. But when they call, you hear the females them making them pretty sound.
Yeah.
And then they're like, they have sense to tell them time. And I tell you what, they're Florida, they're Jamaican.
Okay, they don't have Pinoani in Florida?
No.
Only Jamaica alone or something like that?
I don't know about,
Caribbean.
yeah, I know about Jamaica, I don't know about the other places.
Yeah, because that sound, yeah.
Unique to
Unique to Jamaica, yeah. So my time when I did that, I used to not to hear it. Yeah, man.
That's true.
So listen carefully and hear it, but so my time not to hear it. It just sound like a silence. I wonder how make a sound and think of frog. Frog, what is it? So who better one than up? Pinoani.
Yeah.
What is Pinoani?
The one with the birds like that first, right?
Oh, look at it, just like that one fly around.
Yeah.
I love them, let's go.
We used to, when I was a child, we used to get them, put them in the back up. We used to put them in the back up.
Different, yeah.
And then they used a flashlight.
I'm used to do something that we used to catch the caterpillars. And put them in the bottles.
And
We
turn
can
the
turn
butterfly.
butterfly.
Yeah.
We think I would do it. We think of full works. That just work, you know. I put my hand say, yo, I would do that. Come on. Life itself, man.
I remember when I was growing up, my parents, my mother, grandmother used to say, Keegan, you know, my little kid come to mama and said, Mama, who you know so long? And mama said, what you mean? Mama said, what you mean? And the little kid said, you know this long. So your mother did say, you're growing, you will learn. So when little pig grow up now and start to boil and do all the things there, I say, oh, I know that what mama used to say. And I used to have to board little pig mouth, just like how they board mama and papa mouth. Yeah, so the thing says.
Yeah, man, it's life itself. The kids them will learn. That crazy world we living around.
These children nowadays,
They got at a different time. At a different time.
I'm talking about, you know, you could see your neighbor's children on the road and, you know, like tell them to go home or something and you can even be there, you can even beat them.
Yeah, you can't do
But
that.
no, you can't even talk to people's children nowadays.
Yeah, man, you can't talk to them now. They will tell you about something. They tell you something that you know, must stream make you.
They go to the school. Before you think we could go home and bring our parents to school, these children and their mothers, most of their mothers, you know, more than the fathers. And I'm not saying all of them, you know, some of them. The mother will go to the school and curse the teacher and let the same child hit the teacher, beat the teacher.
Yeah.
And they get away with it.
Yeah, man. So what we have in Jamaica now? Growing up, we never have security in school.
Still, you know what I mean? We don't know where the next biggest actor, actress will come from in a yard, yeah. So we have to put in the work and make the work speak for itself. We can't do more than that. You know what I mean? So as time go by, we go figure it out. But for now, we're there go and hold it off. Check out them two carrier. And next time we talk, big up all of the people them out there. We have support for a long time. We don't need to start support again because we're on the next mission and now. We'll talk about it. Let's go.
Alright, so anyway, we still do it and we do it for the love. Because I don't like to work at the money on time. Really? We do it for the love, right? Yeah. So anyway, we're there go and hold it. But anyway, check out them two carrier and tell me which one them want to buy. Right? Yeah man, because it's a business I look forward for advertise. But differently from that, I'm going to do more advertising for different stuff. And I'm going to start put them in the movie. You know, to introduce the stuff that I'm going to. So if you have a product or anything you want to advertise, please do so. Yeah man, link me up, advertise it. Because we'll start with the advertisement in the movie itself. That means you get a more wider range. You know what I mean? Just like how the commercial them come in at the movie. You know, we're going to try job 1 and 2 for yourself in the movie itself. Make, you know what I mean? Because we have to try to find a way to make ends them meet, you know. Because the ends them not really meet. We just do it because we love the movie. No money not depending like that. You know what I mean? Oh, no. Because Empress G, because I'm there from day 1 and him know where I go. You understand what I mean? Anyway, let's go. Burn it down. Let's go. Oh, which one do I like? Which one do I want to buy? Make the contact, man. Make the research and go on. We have some more soon coming in. Yeah, and if you have a vehicle you want to sell to, send in, make you know what go on. Let's go.